Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Amazon Seller app product feeds to a new phone, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer the Amazon Seller app product feeds to a new phone, begin by ensuring that both your old and new phones are fully charged. Next, download the Amazon Seller app on your new phone from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, open the app on your new phone. Log in using your Amazon Seller account credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Inventory section. Here, select the option to export your product feeds. This typically involves finding the Export button or option within the Inventory menu. Choose the type of product feed you want to transfer, such as inventory files. Confirm your selection to initiate the export process. The app will generate a file that contains your product data. Wait for the export to complete, and then save the file to a location accessible on your old phone. Next, open a file transfer application or cloud storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox. Upload the exported file from your old phone to the chosen service. Once the upload is complete, switch to your new phone. Open the same file transfer app or cloud storage service on your new device. Locate the exported product feed file and download it to your new phone. Return to the Amazon Seller app on your new phone. In the same inventory section, look for the option to import product feeds. Select the newly downloaded file to initiate the import process. Follow the prompts to confirm the import, ensuring that all product details are correctly transferred. Once the import is complete, review your inventory to verify that all products have been successfully added. If everything looks correct, your product feeds have now been successfully transferred to your new phone. Wrap up the process by deleting the file from your cloud service or file transfer app for security reasons. This will help maintain the confidentiality of your product data. Your Amazon Seller app is now fully functional on your new phone, ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.